lovely. Being slow sometimes worthwhile.
Exactly, slowly catch the monkey.
Catch the toucan.
Slowly catch the toucan. What was the name of that particular?
Yellow-throated toucan.
Yellow-throated toucan.
Yellow-throated toucan.
Yellow-throated.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, not true. It's in a yellow-throated one. It's in the.
But it's a beautiful one.
Chestnut mandible. Really beautiful, wasn't it? The eyes were just amazing.
It is the mandible. Like I changed here the name because the old name is mandible toucan, but I changed for the new
is it
name.
the same as the chestnut mandible?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the largest one, isn't it?
Yeah.
But when we saw them in Tortuguero, they were more like high in the trees or flying across, so you couldn't really see them. Whereas this is just, I mean, that one there was perfect.
Del chorro de agua que baja perfectamente de la montaña. Son cantidades de agua perfectamente de 7 ríos diferentes, 7 quebradas, y esa es la principal más fuerte. Se quitó un 50% la cantidad de agua, el 100% se le agregó 50% y se le quitó otro 50% para desviarlo hacia la parte del lago Arenal. How was it? Good?
Lovely, brilliant, lovely. Clean.
Pero sí ha deshabilitado el segundo sector para poder bañarse. Aquí a la izquierda mía pueden ver algunos